buddy, today in this video we're making Instapot spicy soy sauce chicken wings. Let's begin. We'll need 3 cups of low sodium soy sauce. There you go, 3 cups. 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. 1, 2, 3. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. 1, 2. 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing cooking wine. 1, 2. 1 star anise. Half teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice powder. There you go, half teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of white pepper. And 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. You can add more or less depending on your preference. Take everything and mix it all together. Looking good. We have here 20 pieces of chicken wings. And now let's start cooking. The first thing what we're going to do is add the sauce we made. Make sure to get every last bit. We're going to add 2 cups of chicken broth. There's 2 cups of chicken broth. We'll need 1 cup of sugar. You can use white or brown sugar. There you go, that's 1 cup of sugar. We'll be adding 3 thick slices of fresh ginger. Stir everything all around. Okay, looking good. Next, we're going to add in the 20 pieces of chicken wings. There we go, we have the 20 pieces of chicken wings in. Make sure all the chicken wings are submerged. This is what it looks like before we close it up. We're going to push pressure cook, and we're going for a total time of 10 minutes on high pressure. It's currently preheating on high pressure, and we'll be back once the timer started for 10 minutes. The red pin has gone up, that means it's almost fully preheated. The Instapot is fully preheated and the timer started for 10 minutes, and we'll be back. It's been a total time of 10 minutes on high pressure. And now we're just going to let it naturally release for 5 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been 5 minutes on natural release. And now let's release the pressure. The red pin has dropped back down. That means it's safe to open. Looking good. Smells really good too. Next, we're going to cancel. And we're going to push the saute button. We have here some cornstarch and a 1/4 cup of water. We'll need around 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix it in with the 1/4 cup of water. Okay, let's thicken up the sauce. Just add a little bit at a time. Stir it around. And then add the rest. To thicken up the sauce, you can add more or less cornstarch water mixture, depending on your preference. Okay, it's looking good. And now let's take it out. Next, we're going to take some green onions and sprinkle it on top. There you go. Okay, this is what we have today. Instapot spicy soy sauce chicken wings. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.